Do you see her?
No, I swear I heard something. Like a high pitch.
Oh my goodness. I just heard footsteps.
I thought you got a burp.
Did bees kill you?
Yes.
Okay, good to know.
What is it good for?
That's not what I. That's not what I was doing.
Hawk tour, what is it good for? Excellent.
Yippee! It's very
I hear something big.
Oh my goodness!
That's a dog?
Yes? I'm dancing. Am I pointing? What is that? My pinky?
Why is there blood everywhere?
Hey!
Jukes.
Little nerd.
You have to press it a few times.
Wait, his arm's still sticking out on my screen. Is that happening on yours?
What's wrong, Neil? Hey, look, fire
I
exit.
almost triggered a spike trap.
What does that mean?
It's okay. All right, Mr. Rabzie. So this.
You wanted me to push that, didn't you?
Oh,
Are you guys above me?
it's real. It's real. All right. Sean's proven that it's real, so it's fine. But some of them aren't real, thanks to mods, and you'll find out the hard way one day.
Okay, good to know. What does it do? Take me back to the ship.
It eats you.
What's this way? This looks fun. Oh, I'm at. It's a weird sound this way.
Oh! Oh!
I know.
Run!
Okay.
Oh my goodness! Neil, you right?
What do you do? Testing?
Neil?
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead!
What is it? What is that?
What is that? No!
Oh! Sean! Oh! How's it going?
To being person on the ship, making sure everyone's safe.
So one thing is, we're probably not going to be together again, dude.
Okay,
I don't think
bye.
Ethan's coming.
Well.
Oh, hey.
Hey, do you want to unlock that door for us?
Which one?
Door, the red one?
Okay. Over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, the red door.
Just make sure you aim for that broken section, mate. Yeah, well done.
Where are you guys?
Oh!
Oh no! It's not!
it
Prank him.
was a real door!
Oh, okay.
Oh well.
See, I'm climbing tough. I got balls.
Alright. You gonna make the jump?
Yes. You. What's that noise? What's that noise?
It's a trap, I think. Watch your head.
No, what is that noise?
Get through, because there was a...
Run!
That's terrifying.
Oh, she's got stuff on her body too.
Just be quiet.
Do I be quiet?
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Do I be quiet? You're an ass.
Oh, loser!
Did you hear? Okay. No! Hey, look.
Fire exit.
What happened?
I want to be scared.
Ethan.
I'm coming.
Alright.
He gets
Everyone, eh? We never get that luck. That's bullcrap.
You're like the luckiest guy I've ever met.
He just fell from us.
Oh no.
As I was saying that.
Well,
Do you want to go?
he just fell. Depends what the time is. Hold up.
We have 400. Yeah, we have enough, so... And we have another day,
Nil.
so I think we should
Nil.
go.
Nil. Go.
You didn't do anything! Ethan!
Oh,
I was like, oh, you're holding it, it's fine.
right.
Manny.
Oh, mannequin! Yeah!
I'm staring at it, it's okay.
Alright, well, do you know where the exit is?
Right above him, there's a staircase. It's right behind me.
I can see that, but I can't really get around him right now.
If I look away, will he come for me or you?
It's...
He's looking at you now more than
Oh
yours.
my goodness.
So you
it's
walk
just
away. Walk away and make him look at me. If I die, do we lose stuff?
we lose a little bit, but we should...
Oh,
Get away from him.
that's terrifying.
Get away from him. Get away from him. Get away from him. Get away from him.
I don't know how. Send help.
Ethan, do you want me to stay behind?
Maybe that's fine. Oh, look at it!
Lemon. Oh, that's.
Oh,
Hello?
Oh,
It's good. Welcome.
hey, so...
Is that actually him?
So, Neil, you probably haven't driven a manual before. You're going to need to put it in drive, or put it in first gear. Alright?
Got it! Come on!
Slightly push down on the clutch.
There we go. We are in a tight spot, my goodness.
Oh my gosh!
Is it safer if we just stay behind? Can we get in the back?
I'm trying to see.
Oh yeah, I can see him in the back window. How's it going back there?
I wanna...
Where are we
You
going?
drive, man.
We've
You want me
got
to
3
drive?
feet.
Go in! Yeah, I can barely see.
Alright, I'll drive. Now, I'll have you know,
There you
I also can't drive a manual.
go.
How do I get in drive?
So you have to actually press the R on the gear.
Do you want us to do it? Don't make me get out of the back.
Okay, there you go.
Sean-
Ethan, I put it in.
Sean,
Go.
Sean
I
knows
put
how to
it
drive
in.
manual.
There you go.
Sean knows how to
There
drive
you
manual.
go.
We're moving.
I put you in R.
Whoa, Neil, can you hear me?
Yeah, did you boost?
I did for a little bit, but like I pressed like you said you.
What?
You said it was in reverse. So I was like, I don't know.
Oh, there's a butler behind him.
You said it like I didn't know what to do, so I just pressed W, tried to turn it, and the thing did like a flippin' 7. Like a 720. And oh goodness. Like, it's only good because of the mod. Oh!
You said they wanted the game.
I know. Guess how I died, bro. Guess how I flipping died, bro.
Hey, is that how you guys know?
I died
No.
by a flipping mimic door like that.
Accidentally do it on yourself.
He's back. He's here. He's got it, boys. That's not good.
I had stopped like a millimeter away from it. I was like, oh my goodness, I'm so lucky to have seen that. And then you just go,
Probably. Oh! What is that? What is that?
all aboard! Cries the engineer. Sleepy Town Junction is oh so near. Somebody say the truth.
Sleepy Town Junction.
What on earth?
Big Lil just died.
No, I'm here.
See? Oh,
Yeah.
they put on the radio. Forest Guardian. Oh, he's picked up the truck. He's picked up the truck.
Oh, okay. He's on fire.
Welcome, brother.
Well then.
Dude, look at that forest guardian. It's just on fire. Oh, it died.
Oh, I died! No way!
Throw in that teabag, boys.
Are you serious?
You killed a giant.
Get wrecked, idiot.
Hello.
Hi, Sean.
Hello.
Hello?
Oh, sorry.
Where are you? Get off me.
Oh, he opened the door! 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 You opened the door!
Fire exit.
Radio.
This is nice.
You know what else is nice?
What's that? I was actually waiting for this. I was keen. I'm down for it.
I'm just gonna ear rape the top for a second. Just stay in your image a bit.
Alright, hold up. Yeah. Huh? What's up? What's up? Oh no! Hello? 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 No! 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 Please! No! 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 Please! No! No!
Were you haunted?
Yes! I was getting chased by the girl, bro. Oh my goodness, that scared the crap out of me.